If you don't like expensive hobbies but still love crafting, then let's make an awesome mini paper ship from scratch. Start by grabbing a rectangular piece of paper. Fold it in half lengthwise and then unfold. Next, fold the top corners down to the center crease, forming a triangle. Easy peasy. Now fold up the bottom edge of the rectangle over the triangle. Flip it over and do the same on the other side. Open the bottom of the triangle and flatten it down to form a square. We're getting there. Fold up the bottom flaps of the square on both sides to get a smaller triangle. Open and flatten again to form another square. Almost ship shape. Now gently pull the top corners apart to form your boat. For the final touch, add sails with a toothpick and a small paper piece and decorate with markers or colored pencils. Your mini paper ship is ready to sail. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nomi DIY 987 for more fun projects.